Welcome back to Doll Star Diecast. Got another edition of Friday Night Johnny Lightning, courtesy of my buddy Johnny. Alright, I got the whole set here. I think this is the newest release of this set, but I don't have car number 1, which is like an orange Mustang. It's the 68 Shelby. Kind of an orange color. Alright, well, let's take a closer look at these. There's the card art. It's the Muscle Cars USA Release 3. And this is the 1965 Chevy Chevelle Wagon. That's car number 2 in the set. Version A. There's always a version A and B. And this is one of 8,908. The Chevy Chevelle two-door wagon is a very rare vehicle. It was only made in 1964 and 1965. Just over 3,300 were built over their 2-year production. For 1964, only 1,710 units were made. And in 1965, there were only 1,668 units. And this color is Turtle Wax Metallic Green. And there's the cars in the set. And there's some information if you want to look at JohnnyLightningDiecast.com. And here's some more information. There's the date on the card right there. And even though we're in 2022. Okay, let's open it. Okay, here's the 65 Chevy Chevelle Wagon. The Turtle Wax model. Turtle. Alright. Let's take a closer look at it. Okay, let's try that again. There's side deco, Turtle Wax, Turtle Power, Firestone wide ovals, Chevy flags, 327 it looks like, lump in the tire, bummer. It's a little better. There's the front. Nice deco in the front. Nice engine in there. Looks pretty good. Nice side deco. Malibu Wagon, I think it says. Nice deco in the rear. Malibu Speed, maybe. Can't see the interior very well, it's pretty dark. But there's the Chevelle wagon. Sweet. Okay, up next, let's take a look at this one. There's the card art. Buick. One of 9,388. The Grand National name first appeared in 1982 as an appearance package for the Buick Regal. The car and driver tested the 1986 Buick Grand National, finding that it was faster than the Lamborghini Countach in the quarter mile. This one happens to be black. Again, version A. These three. This is car number 3 in the set. 1986 Buick Grand National. Okay, let's open it. Okay, there's the Buick Grand National. $1986. See, the dash is white. Seats are two-tone. Even the back seats are two-tone. Sweet. .8 SPI turbo. Nice deco in the front. Nice rear deco. A little bit off right there on the corner. There's the dash. Looks kind of cool, pretty detailed. Cool Grand National. I don't think the hood opens. Yes, it does. There's the motor, a little bit crooked. Pretty cool. Okay, up next. And this is card number 4. The 1977 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. One of 8,908 again. Here's the card art. Buyers could order the Bandit package from GM for $556 without the Hearst hatches, or for $1,141 with them. As you would guess, it dressed up a new Firebird exactly like the famous movie car. The Firebird was essentially the Pontiac's brand's version of the Chevy Camaro. And this is Brentwood Brown Poly. Let's open it. Okay, there's the 1977 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. The hood opens on this one. Nice deco in the front. Nice Phoenix on the hood. Bridge tones. Gold rim package. Tan interior looks cool with the black steering wheel. Rear deco looks cool. 77 Bird. Got some red dots though out of their area. It's the T-top. Pretty detailed dash and console. Alright, it's the 77 Firebird. Up next, will be the 1970 Dodge Dart Swinger 340. Card number 5. There's the card art. One of 8,788 for 1970. The front and rear styling was reworked for the Dodge Dart. It now featured a split front grille and a rear bumper with integrated taillights. A new 1970 Dodge Dart Swinger 340 costs $2,808. And it's white. Let's open it. There it is, the 1970 Dodge Dart Swinger 340. Let's take a closer look at this one. There's nice deco on the side. The rims have some deco. Side marker, gas cap. Blue interior. Side marker. There's the motor. Texas plate, 70 Dart. Pretty cool. Nice deco in the front on the hood. Dart Swinger. Cool rear deco. Awesome. Okay, that's the Dodge Dart. The last one I have is this Pinky. 1970 Plymouth Gtx. Here's the card art. One of 8,788. The standard engine was the 4 BBI 440 CID Super Commando V8 that produced 375 horsepower. The top of the line engine option was the 426 CID Hemi V8 producing 425 horsepower. Moulin Rouge. Let's open it. There it is, Pinky. Moulin Rouge. Plymouth GTX. Let's get a close-up of this one. Nice deco on the grill, license plate, engine. I like that little black thing though on the inside the hood though. Probably gluing this on. Nice deco on the hood. Interior's hard to see. Wheel funky. And there's the rear tampo, looks cool. Rims look cool, authentic, Goodyear tires. Nice stripe down the side. Pretty cool. That's the lineup. Alright, there it is. Friday Night Johnny Lightning. It's from my buddy Johnny Bra. Johnny on the spot. Alright. Thank you for watching. This is Doll Star Diecast. Like and subscribe, please. And we're out for now.